We're going to talk through the twisted rib stitch, which we are using here as the hem of our Brioche Belle sweater. And I'll just take you through this tutorial of how to create the texture. And I've just got it here next to a rib, which makes up the neckline. And you can see that it's got quite a neat and more sort of defined volume in its rise for each of the columns. It's the same on both sides. It gives a beautiful textured finish. Okay, when we knit, rather than knitting into the front of the stitch as we would on a normal knit stitch, we actually knit into the back of it. Everything else is the same, it's just where we insert the needle that is different to a knit stitch. So we put it through the back, we wrap as usual, pull it through, and then drop it onto the right needle. Same with the purl, we're going to bring the yarn in front. Rather than purling as we would normally into the front of the stitch, we're going to purl into the back of the stitch. So I'll show you from behind. We're going to purl through the back part of that loop. Wrap the yarn as normal and pull through and drop onto the right needle. Let's go again. The yarn is at the back and we're going to knit into the back of the stitch. Like so. Wrap and drop it off. And by doing that, by knitting into the back and by purling into from the back, it gives a little extra twist to the stitch, which allows it to have that beautiful volume that we see. So there we have it, the twisted rib. And so you just continue that process all the way along your pattern as required.